and check out my new recipe. It's the raw choco spirulina balls. Yeah, baby, we're in a raw food for the beginning of the new year, so we come sharp out the gate, fast and explosive. So let's take a look. Let me show you the ingredients that I've got and show you exactly how to make these wonderful and delicious raw choco spirulina power balls, baby. Okay, here we begin. First of all, I've got half a cup of raw almonds. I've got some fresh dates. I've got my spirulina, and I have my raw chocolate cacao. Here I have my blender. This is actually by Magic Bullet because it whips it up like a bullet. So it's pretty cool and awesome. And then I have here just a bowl with water and some raw apple cider vinegar so I can clean the dates, because I always like to keep everything nice and clean. So we're nice and clean from inside, cha-ching, and outside. Yeah. Okay, so let's get to it. Here we go. First of all, we take the almonds. I'm only using half a cup. So depending on how many of these power balls you want to make will depend on the quantity you'll use. But for me, for right now, half a cup is perfectly fine. Boom. Pour that in. I take 2 spirulina. These are in tablet form. I do like it in powder, but unfortunately I couldn't get it, so I'm just using these for now. Pop them in there. Spirulina, by the way, is an algae. It's phenomenal. It's a high source in vitamin B12, so for you vegetarians or vegans that don't eat meat or fish, then I do recommend spirulina because it's very high in B12, and that's a very, very important vitamin that you need so you can be sharp and energetic. Feel good, yeah, baby. Okay. We're going to take the dates. To half a cup, you'll probably need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll probably need around 6. Okay. These dates actually have come from the inside, I believe, of the tree, so they're not as sticky and they're not as high in sugar, which is better for me because anything that's too high in sugar makes me too hyperactive. Okay, so I like to take my fruits that are not too high in sugar, so I don't get too hyper. Okay, anyway, I'm going to clean them off because there's always a little bit of dust and residues in there. I'll leave them in for a good 20 to 30 seconds, just soaking. While they're soaking, I'll take the raw chocolate cacao powder. I'll take a teaspoon. 1 heap. You got that? Yeah, pop that in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. It's all raw, which makes you healthy and vital. Okay? Here we go. The dates have been soaking. As you can see, there's not the most stickiest dates, but a lot more drier, which makes them also a lot less sweeter. And I'm using the dates as a natural source of sugar, and so it gives a nice stickiness, so I can make these balls, power balls, nice and easy. Okay. Take the pips out. Lay them in there. One more to go. Alright, I'll just give my hand a quick clean. Excelente. Alrighty, so half a cup of almonds, 1 teaspoon of raw chocolate cacao, 2 spirulina tablets, or 1 teaspoon of spirulina, pure spirulina, and then anywhere from 5 to 6 dates, depending on how squidgy and sticky they are. These are a lot more dry, so I've had to use a little bit more. Okay, from here, we don't add anything to it, we just pop the top on, and we pop it in here. This blender is a great blender, it does things very fast, and I like things that are very fast and convenient, but you don't have to use this blender, but you just want to make sure that you get a good blender that does grind up the almonds so you can get the nice consistency, okay? We don't want them too lumpy. Here we go. Give it a shake. Let me just have a look at that. And I'll be able to tell if... Okay, I'm going to actually have to add a couple more dates to this. Which is the reason why I took out some more. So let me just give them a quick clean off. I'll add a couple more because after trying it here, it's not sticky enough yet. So I'll add a couple more in so I just get the stickiness there. Okay, let's keep these soaking. So we're coming clean out the gate, fresh for 2012, the new year. Raw food, baby, so we feel energetic and vital. Wait till you try one of these power balls. If it doesn't make you horny, I would like to know why. Okay, let's add these in. Seriously, people, this is where health begins, in the kitchen. Ain't no restaurant that can serve up Andy Ashton's raw choco spirulina power balls out there. If you're finding it hard to make these babies, just shoot me an email and I'll do some for you and send them over. This is a nice little sweet treat for you, my friend. Okay, here we go. Okay, we should be in for a winner. Let's check them out. Yeah. Okay, pour it onto the plate. As you can see, we have the whole mix right there. Okay. Let me just give this a quick wipe. Don't forget to clean up your mess once you've made it. Everything nice and clean. Just how your mum likes it. Okay, here we go. 1 second, my hands are a little bit wet. Oh my God! I'm feeling so raw, baby! Here we go. So now we get our hands messy and we play around a little bit. Let's grab the mixture, squidge them up, make your little circular balls. I'll round them off in a minute. I'll just move. And there you have it, folks. Your nice raw chocolate spirulina power balls. Now let's give them a try. Just to let you know, I have had like 5 of these just before. Okay, so this is how food should make you feel. Let's experiment. Amen. Baby, you know when it feels good, could start dancing and you start singing like baby, 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 ooh, like. Oh yeah. Amen to that. Check them out. And if you don't, 1 second. Amazing. Very, very, very filling. Very nutrient dense. Great for kids. Great if you're on the go. Probably took me about 8, no longer than 10 minutes. It's very quick, it's very easy, very convenient, phenomenal. It's all raw, it's all pure. And if you'd like to know more about the ingredients with regards to the benefits of spirulina and raw cacao powder, fresh dates and the raw almonds, if you're not too sure about any of those ingredients, just send me an email and I can definitely answer your questions to help you you folks out so that you know exactly what each ingredient is and what it's doing for your body. Okay, but Happy New Year and God bless you. Come and join me for one of these. Okay, I'm off. Workout time.